ang madalas
Naharap ngayon sa
We smile, we laugh, we live our days like everything is fine. But sometimes, we suffer in silence. Behind every happy face is a mind fighting battles we cannot see. Stress and depression don't always show. Some people carry them quietly, afraid of being judged, afraid of being misunderstood. Mental health is not a weakness. It's a part of human being. When we ignore it, pain grows louder. When we talk about it, healing begins. So here, don't do and do how to maintain a good mental health. Balance schoolwork and rest. Don't overload yourself with academic without rest. Manage screen time wisely. Don't spend excessive hours playing mobile games. Ask for help when school pressure feels heavy. Don't ignore stress signal from your body and mind. Success is not just about grades or games. It's about balance, health, and peace of mind. Because sometimes, saving a life starts with balance. Sometimes, hope begins by choosing yourself.